Elon Musk claims that once the Gigafactory in Nevada is fully operational, it will boast the largest footprint of any structure worldwide, surpassing even the Great Pyramid, the Empire State Building, and the Burj Khalifa. Encompassing multiple levels, the factory will cover an astounding area, with every inch powered by renewable energy. You might recall Elon discussing the environmental impact of the Gigafactory with Leonardo DiCaprio. According to Musk's calculations, it would take around 100 of these factories to power the entire planet sustainably. As it stands, the current Gigafactory in Nevada is only partially complete. Tesla announced plans for expansion, but the vision of a fully scaled Gigafactory remains a future aspiration. Elon has been dreaming about this project his whole life, though the official plans didn't materialize until Tesla partnered with Panasonic to invest in this multi-billion-dollar endeavor. With the financial backing secured, the next challenge was to find the perfect location. After considering various sites, Tesla was ultimately convinced to settle on the Tahoe Reno Industrial Center. Though the Nevada factory is the largest, it's not Tesla's only Gigafactory. Giga New York in Buffalo specializes in power pack batteries and solar panels. Giga Texas in Austin serves as Tesla's headquarters and assembles Model S, Model 3S and Cybertrucks. Tesla also has two international Gigafactories, one in Shanghai, China, and another in Berlin, Germany.